Hi everyone, it's Alissa Todd. I'm a financial advisor and I share weekly money tips here on my YouTube account. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to do so. This week, I'm talking all about tax refunds. And if you're receiving a tax refund this year, there are a few ways that you can thoughtfully spend and save so you can maximize your benefits from your refund. You could also consider changing the withholdings so that Uncle Sam doesn't take as much from your salary throughout the year, as you're essentially giving the government a tax-free loan. And as with any windfall of money, you want to be sure to plan for it so you don't wake up a few weeks down the road and realize that it's all gone. So here are 5 things that you can do to aim to maximize your tax refund this year. 1, treat yourself. Instead of completely restricting yourself, use a portion of your refund to spend on whatever it is you like, but make sure you put a limit to it so you don't spend it all. For example, you can take 20% and spend it on yourself and then reallocate the rest of your refund towards accomplishing some of your other financial goals. 2, pay off high interest rate debt, whether that be some personal loans or credit cards. I've done a couple of videos on how to pay off debt, so I'll be sure to link those in the description box below. 3, start an emergency reserves account. The goal is to have at least 3 months worth of expenses saved up in this separate savings account. Again, I've done a video on that, so do go check that out so that you can get started on building up that cash reserve. 4, contribute towards some of your bigger financial goals such as retirement or home down payment, investing in your business, or funding your child's education account. And last but not least, give back to your favorite charity. Not only will you feel great, but someone else will benefit from your generosity. So those are 5 ways that you can thoughtfully spend your tax refund. How are you planning on spending your refund? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you have any questions, do send them my way. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love for you to do so. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week.